Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So friends, in today's video I will show you how you can clean this gas stove burner at your home. Like you can see, this is a very dirty and stain based burner, and we will clean it today with the help of a very effective trick, for which we required ingredients: baking soda. You required is only half lemon, and this is the white vinegar. You can take white vinegar, and this is I've taken Scotch Brite to clean the burner. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to drop this gas stove burner in a clean bowl like this for few seconds, and after this I will be adding white vinegar all around it, so that the white vinegar will absorb all the stains that are present over to the burner. After this I will be adding the baking soda all over on the top area as well as on the bottom side also, all or the corners part. Like now you can see, we need to flip this as well. Like you can see, bubbles are coming up because the solution of vinegar and baking soda is very effective trick to remove the stains from the burners. So friends, usually you need to keep it like this for at least 10 minutes, but without wasting much time, I will show you how you can clean it at few minutes only. So let it dip like this for few seconds, and you can see the burner is dissolved here. And now what will you need to do is you required a half lemon, and take some baking soda on the top of the lemon and just apply it like this on all over the burner. It will deeply clean the burner, all the stains, and lemon is a very effective thing that works with baking soda to clean all the dirt as well as stains that are set over to the burners. Now you need to clean it for at least 5 to 10 minutes like this only, so that all the dirt will be cleaned up by this. Taking the solution we have prepared, just dip the lemon into that solution and just clean it like this only. Now you can see, this is the effective trick through which you can clean the gas stove burner. Now I am dipping it into the solution again, and now with the help of a Scotch Brite or any sponge you can take, I am cleaning the burner like this. Like this, you can see. Whatever Scotch Brite or any kind of sponge that is available at your home, you can use that one to clean the stains that are set on your burners. So you can see the dirt is coming out in my hand, and the solution also it is getting black because lot of dirt is there. So we need to clean it continuously, and now I am applying some more baking soda because this is the effective trick through which you can clean the burner. So next thing is, you need to see, like you can see, the burner has been cleaned and the stains are getting out from it. Whatever burner you are having at your home, you can clean it by using this trick. All the black dirty part is coming out and you can see the burner has been cleaned. Now what you need to do is you need to leave it like this only for at least 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes you will get a absolutely clean gas stove burner. So I am applying some more solution over to the affected part. There is no doubt that some hardware will be required to clean the gas burner stove, but you can see now lot of difference has been created and dirt is come out from this burner. So friends, now what you need to do is you need to let it dip in the solution of white vinegar and baking soda like this only for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes you will get the absolutely clean and neat gas stove burner. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe and comment.